These crystal clear ice cubes make a great addition on a bar cart, iced coffee station, and more. And they're easy to make. I'm preparing to use this ice maker, so I sanitized the parts ahead of time. And we're ready to go. They're top rack dishwasher safe, which makes it nice and convenient. First, I'm going to insert this. Then we will add water to the fill line. We'll close the ice maker and then put it in the freezer and wait. Tip: to loosen the bind between the silicone mold and the plastic water tray, remove the water tray from the styrofoam sleeve and run hot water over the water tray for about 20 seconds. Initially, they appear frosted, but the ice spheres immediately look crystal clear when submerged in liquid. Bottoms up!